Welcome back. Are you ready to be amazed? Today we'll explore incredible facts about our brains that defy imagination. From electrical capabilities to processing power, get ready to discover what makes your brain truly remarkable. Number 5. Your brain can generate electricity strong enough to power a light bulb. That's right. Your brain runs on electricity. At any moment, it can produce about 20 watts of power. That's enough to light up a small LED bulb. Your thoughts are literally lighting up your mind. But how does this happen? The electrical activity in your brain is generated by the neurons firing, which creates a flow of ions between the cells. This electrical current can be measured using a device called an electroencephalogram, or EEG, which is often used in sleep studies and to diagnose conditions like epilepsy. Isn't it fascinating to think that the complex processes happening inside your head can create enough energy to power a light bulb? What other amazing things can your brain do? Stay tuned to find out. Number 4, your brain works faster than any computer. Your brain is a supercomputer that processes information at lightning speeds, up to 268 miles per hour. That's faster than a Formula 1 car, which can reach speeds of around 220 miles per hour. Your brain can make decisions and take actions almost instantaneously, allowing you to react quickly to changes in your environment. For example, if you're driving a car and a pedestrian suddenly steps off the curb, your brain can process the visual input, evaluate the situation, and send signals to your muscles to slam on the brakes, all within a fraction of a second. Your brain's processing speed is made possible by the vast network of neurons that connect different parts of your body and allow for rapid communication. While computers have come a long way, they still can't match the speed and efficiency of the human brain. No. 3. You forget most of your dreams within 5 minutes. Have you ever had a vivid dream that you could wait to tell someone about, only to forget the details moments later? It turns out that this is completely normal and actually happens to everyone. You see, when you're dreaming, your brain is highly active and processes emotions, memories, and experiences that occur during REM sleep. However, once you wake up, those brain functions shift and your brain starts filtering out less important information like dream content. In fact, research shows that within just 5 minutes of waking up, you'll forget 90% of your dreams. It's as if your brain has its own personal delete button for dreams. So if you ever want to remember a dream, it's best to jot it down immediately upon waking. No. 2. Your brain has no pain receptors. Imagine getting surgery without feeling any pain. It might sound like a dream, but it's actually a reality thanks to the amazing capabilities of the human brain. You see, your brain has a natural pain-killing mechanism that kicks in during certain situations, such as when you're in physical pain. Your brain processes the pain signal sent by your body, but it doesn't actually feel pain itself. Instead, it releases chemicals like endorphins that help to alleviate the sensation of pain. This is why brain surgery can be performed while the patient is awake. The brain simply can't feel pain. So while you might wince at the sight of a needle, your brain is capable of handling much more intense procedures without flinching. Number 1, your brain rewires itself every time you learn something new. Neuroplasticity refers to the brain's ability to change and adapt in response to new experiences. When you learn something new, whether it's a language, a skill, or a piece of information, your brain physically rewrites the connections between neurons to reflect that new knowledge. For example, if you start playing the piano, your brain will form new neural pathways that make it easier to coordinate your hand movements with the keys. Similarly, if you learn a new language, your brain will adjust the strength of connections between neurons that process speech, sounds, and vocabulary. This means that every time you learn something new, you're literally changing the physical structure of your brain. And there you have it, 5 amazing facts about our brains that prove just how powerful, strange, and beautiful they really are. From generating electricity to rewiring themselves, our brains are capable of some truly incredible things. So next time you sit down to study, remember that you're not just memorizing facts and figures. You're actually changing the physical structure of your brain, and that's pretty amazing. Which fact blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.